Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to change the default homepage in Google Chrome. Your homepage is the first page you see when you open your browser, and customizing it can help you streamline your online experience. So, let's dive right in and learn how to make your Chrome homepage truly yours. Thanks for watching. If you found this tech tutorial helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Got questions or suggestions? Leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you.